Friends, the kingdom of animals is fascinating. Now I'm going to tell you about their behavior and living pattern. So come on. Cat. This is a cat. C for cat. Many people keep cat as a pet. Cat kills and eat rats. Dog. This is a dog. D for dog. Dog is man's best friend. Dog protects our home. Cow. This is a cow. C for cow. Cow gives us milk. Friends, we should drink milk every day. Goat. This is a goat. G for goat. We get milk and meat from goat. Elephant. This is an elephant. E for elephant. Friends, elephant is the largest living animal on land. It has a long trunk. And friends, male elephant has 2 big teeth. And elephant likes to eat grass. Monkey. This is a monkey. M for monkey. Monkeys eat fruits and leaves. They live on a tree with their family. Monkeys are very naughty. Horse. This is a horse. H for horse. Horses run very fast. And you know, friends, in olden days, horses were the only mode of transport. Sheep. This is a sheep. S for sheep. Friends, we get meat and wool from the sheep. Pig. This is a pig. P for pig. donkey. This is a donkey. D for donkey. And you know friends, donkeys help us by carrying a lot of load on their back. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. R for rabbit. A rabbit eats carrot, leaves and grass. A rabbit is a very beautiful animal and it runs very fast. Giraffe. This is a giraffe. G for giraffe. Giraffe has a long neck. And you know friends, giraffe is the tallest animal. Hippopotamus. This is a hippopotamus. H for hippopotamus. And you know friends, it is also called as hippo. A hippo spends most of its time inside the water. It comes on land to eat grass. Zebra. This is a zebra. Z for zebra. It is a member of horse family. And you know friends, a zebra has black and white stripes all over his body. Camel. This is a camel. C for camel. A camel is called as ship of the desert. People load their luggage on camel's back and travel in desert. Deer. This is a deer. D for deer. Deer is a beautiful animal and deer runs very fast. Tiger. This is a tiger. T for tiger. The tiger is a big animal from the cat family. A tiger has beautiful stripes on his body. A tiger lives in a jungle, so he is called a wild animal. A tiger is the national animal of India. Cheetah. This is a cheetah. C for cheetah. A cheetah has yellow spots on his body. A cheetah runs very fast. It is a wild animal. Bear. This is a bear. B for bear. A bear has thick and long hair on his body. A bear is a wild animal. Lion. This is a lion. L for lion. A lion is called as the king of jungle. And you know, friends, a male lion has a beautiful mane around his neck. A lion is a wild animal. Friends, now I will show you some pictures and you should tell me the correct word for it. So, let's start. Friends, this is right, a cat. Okay, which animal is this? Come on, tell me fast. Yes, a deer. And which is this animal? Okay, it's a wild animal, lives in jungle. Right, it's a lion. Okay friends, now who will tell me? He protects our home. Right, a dog. Okay, now which is this animal? Now let me tell you. It's a national animal of India. Come on, come on. Right, tiger. Now this animal gives us milk. So tell me. Right, it's a cow. It's a wild animal, lives in jungle, thick and long hair. Right, it's a bear. Okay, now tell me, we get meat and milk from this animal. Come on, come on. Right, it's a goat. Which is this animal? It's a wild animal and runs very fast. Come on, come on. Right, it's a cheetah. Oh, now which is this animal? A very big animal. Right, an elephant. Oh, now which is this animal? It lives on tree. Right, it's a monkey. And now, which animal is this? Come on, come on. Right, it's a camel. Which animal is this? Come on, come on. Tell me fast. Right, it's a horse. Oh, animal with black and white stripes. Who will tell me? Right, a zebra. And this is? Right, a sheep. Okay, Now this animal lives in water. Right, it's a hippo. This is a pig. Okay, which animal is this? It is the tallest animal. Come on, who will tell me? Right, a giraffe. Whoa, which animal is this? This animal eats carrots. Come on, fast. Right, it's a rabbit. Now, which animal is this? Tell me fast. Right, it's a donkey. Friends, you must have seen birds flying around your house, right? But do you know their names? No. Okay, don't worry. Now I'm going to take you to the magical world of birds. Crow. Crow. This is a crow. C for crow. A crow is black in color. Sparrow. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. S for sparrow. A sparrow eats small food grains. Pigeon. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. P for pigeon. A pigeon is grey in color. Parrot. Parrot. This is a parrot. P for parrot. A parrot is green in color. A parrot eats chilies. Peacock. Peacock. This is a peacock. P for peacock. A peacock looks very beautiful. Peacock is the national bird of India. Duck. Duck. This is a duck. D for duck. A duck lives in water. Duck eats fish and frog. Crane. Crane. This is a crane. C for crane. Crane eats fish and frog. Eagle. eagle. This is an eagle. E for eagle. An eagle can fly very high in the sky. Eagle eats snakes and rabbits. Owl. Owl. This is an owl. O for owl. An owl comes out of its nest only in the night. It eats rats and other small creatures. Kingfisher. Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. K for kingfisher. It is blue and orange in color. It eats fish. Friends, now I will show you some pictures on the screen and you should give me an answer. Which bird is this? It's black in color. Come on, tell me fast. It's a crow. Okay, now who will tell me? This bird is blue and orange in color. Right, it's a kingfisher. Now which bird is this? Tell me fast. Right, a sparrow. Oh, and this bird? Come on, come on. I have shown you the picture. Right, an owl. Which is this bird? Who will tell me? Right, a pigeon. Oh, this bird can fly very high in the sky. Come on, give me the answer. Right, eagle. Oh, this bird eats chilies. Come on, come on. Tell me fast. It's a parrot. Which is this bird? It lives in water. Right, it's a duck. This bird is a national bird of India. Who will give me an answer? Come on, it's a peacock. You know, friends, even the birds and animals have their own way of talking and communicating with each other. Oh, you don't believe me? Okay, let's wait and watch. The cat says, the dog says, the sheep says, the cow says, the monkey says, the elephant says, the crow says, the horse says, The tiger says. The donkey says. The duck says. And now the lion says. Friends, it's time to play a game with animals. Now, you listen to the sound carefully and tell me the animal. Which animal? Right. Duck. Which animal? Come on, tell me. Yes. Lion. Which animal? Yes, it's a sheep. Which animal? Right, it's a cat. Okay, friends, which animal is this? Right, it's a donkey. Friends, which animal is this? You are right. It's a tiger. Which animal is this? Dog. Okay, friends, which animal is this? Right, it's a cow. Okay, friends, now tell me which animal is this? A very naughty animal. Yes, it's a monkey. Which animal? Come on, tell me. Yes, horse. Okay, friends, which animal is this? Right, it's a crow. Okay, friends, which animal? Right, elephant. Friends, I have finished my lunch. Now it's time to eat some fruits. So let me see which fruits I have. Orange, red and crunchy apple, mango, chiku, guava, banana, grapes. Friends, now I'm going to eat this fruit. By that time, you see all the fruits one by one. Apple, apple. This is an apple. A for apple. Apple is red in color. Eating an apple is very good for health. And you know, friends, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Banana, banana. This is a banana. B for banana. A banana is yellow or green in color. Eating banana is very good for health. Mango, mango. This is a mango. M for mango. Mango is called as king of the fruits. And you know, friends, it is tasty and delicious. Grapes, grapes. These are grapes. G for grapes. Grapes are sweet and juicy. Orange, orange. This is an orange. O for orange. Orange contains vitamin C and it is very good for health. Watermelon, watermelon. This is a watermelon. W for watermelon. Watermelon is green from outside and red from inside. Watermelon is very sweet and juicy. Strawberry, strawberry. This is a strawberry. S for strawberry. Strawberry is red in color with tiny yellow dots. Strawberry is very tasty. Chiku, chiku. This is a chiku. C for chiku. It is sweet and brown in color. Guava, guava. This is a guava. G for guava. It is green from outside and pink from inside. It also has small seeds. It is very tasty. Pineapple, pineapple. This is a pineapple. P for pineapple. It has thorns on the outside, but it is a very tasty fruit. Friends, now I will show you some pictures and you should tell me the correct word for it. So, let's start. Friends, which fruit is this? Come on, tell me fast. Right, It's a guava. Which fruit is this? Come on. Who will tell me? Right. It's a pineapple. Oh, this fruit is yellow or green and very healthy. Come on. Right. It's a banana. This fruit keeps the doctor away. So who will tell me? Right. An apple. This fruit is called as king of the fruits. So who will tell me? Come on, think fast. Right. Mango. These fruits are sweet and juicy. Who will give me the answer? Correct. Grapes. And this is right. A chiku. This fruit is very good for health. So who will give me answer? Right. An orange. Okay. Now which fruit is this? It's green from outside and red from inside. Come on, tell me fast. Right, a watermelon. Which fruit is this? It's small and red in color with tiny yellow dots. Come on, tell me fast. Right, strawberry. You know, friends, flowers look very beautiful and it has a good smell. We keep flowers in a house in a flower pot. So now let's learn about some flowers. Rose. Rose. R for rose. You know, friends, roses comes in different colors like pink, red, white, yellow, orange, and it has a beautiful smell. Lotus. Lotus. L for lotus. You know, friends, lotus is a national flower of India. Lotus grows and float on water. Sunflower. Sunflower. S for sunflower. A sunflower is yellow in color. And you know, friends, its face always points towards the sun. Marigold. Marigold. M for marigold. It is yellow or orange in color. And you know, friends, it is used for decoration during the festivals. Jasmine. This is jasmine. J for jasmine. Jasmine has a very nice smell. Friends, now I will show you some pictures and you should tell me the correct word for it. So, let's start. Okay friends, now tell me which flower is this? It's orange or yellow in color. Come on, tell me fast. Yes, it's a marigold. And which flower is this? Come on, tell me fast. It has a very nice smell. Yes, jasmine. Okay, now tell me which flower is this? It comes in different colors. Yes, you are right. It's a rose. Okay, now tell me which flower is this? Come on, tell me fast. It's yellow in color. Yes, it's a sunflower. Which flower is this? Who will tell me? Okay, I'll tell you. It floats on water. Come on, come on. It's a lotus. Friends, now it's time for lunch. I have to go and prepare my meal. But what should I cook today? Let me see what vegetables I have. Carrot, cucumber, onion, chilies, tomato, potato, capsicum, brinjal, onion, ladyfinger. Eating vegetables is very important to stay fit and healthy. So friends, I'm going to prepare my meal. By that time, you watch all the vegetables one by one. Potato, potato. This is a potato. P for potato. We make wafers and French fries from the potato. Onion, onion. This is an onion. O for onion. We use onion while cooking the various vegetables. Ladyfinger, ladyfinger. This is a ladyfinger. L for ladyfinger. It is green in color and it looks like a sword. Cabbage, cabbage. This is a cabbage. C for cabbage. It is green in color. Carrot, carrot. This is a carrot. C for carrot. Eating carrot is very good for our eyes. Tomato, tomato. This is a tomato. T for tomato. It is soft and red in color. It can be used for making tomato soup. Cucumber, cucumber. This is a cucumber. C for cucumber. A cucumber can be used for making salads. Peas, peas. These are peas. P for peas. They are green in color. Mushrooms. Mushrooms. This is a mushroom. M for mushroom. It looks like a small umbrella. Capsicum. Capsicum. This is a capsicum. C for capsicum. Capsicum is green, red or yellow in color. Chilies. Chilies. These are chilies. C for chilies. Chilies are red or green in color. Chilies are very spicy. Brinjal. Brinjal. This is a brinjal. B for brinjal. Brinjal is purple in color. Friends, now I will show you some pictures and you should tell me the correct word for it. So, let's start. Friends, what are these? Tell me fast. They are very spicy. You are right. Chilies. This can be used for making wafers and French fries. So what is it? Tell me fast. Come on. Potato. Okay. This vegetable is purple in color. So who will tell me the answer? Right. Brinjal. Okay. Now who will tell me this vegetable? Come on, tell me fast. Think fast. Right. Onion. Oh, it looks like a small umbrella. So who will tell me? Think fast. Right. Mushroom. Now tell me, friends, which vegetable is this? Think fast. Right. Capsicum. Oh, this vegetable looks like a sword. So who will tell me? Come on. Ladyfinger. Okay, now which vegetable is this? I want an answer from you. Think fast. Right. Cabbage. Wow, this vegetable looks like small green balls. What are these? Right, peas. Which vegetable is this? It's good for your health. Right, carrot. Which is this vegetable? We use it for making soup. Right, tomato. Now who will name this vegetable for me? We make salads with this vegetable. Right, cucumber.